Hey guys, this is Quick Oil and Brake. Today I'm changing the oil on a Honda Accord 2014. Today I'll give you some tips while you change engine oil. This car has oil life 30%. So normally we change oil when the 15% oil life left, and we change. And I already jacked up the car, also level, and I'll run the engine almost 4 to 5 minutes. It's better if you've been driving and you don't need to run your engine for a while. It's better because the oil viscosities get low and easy to drain all the old oil. And let's get started. Let me turn off the engine. And first thing first, we have to pull the dipstick and open the oil cap, and now we gonna drain the oil. So right now this is the oil plug. That's a 17 millimeter socket you need it. And if you come across on, this is a oil filter, and so I already lose the drain plug, so I'm gonna drain oil. Okay, I don't want it. Okay, so let the oil drain, and now I'm gonna use oil filter wrench to lose the oil filter. So it's almost loose, so you can spin with your hand. I'm not gonna lose all the way to end. First let the drain all the oil from main source. Okay, so I'm using the Honda oil filter, and also each time I'm using a drain plug washer. It's very important to change each time you change oil. And seem like all the drains dropped, and we're gonna put the drain plug, and also we're gonna replace the oil filter. Fellows, two things are very critical and very important while changing oil. One thing is on every oil filter has a this black seal. You have to make sure before you put oil filter the seal exists, because in some scenarios, some time when the filter came, it I don't know, it's manufacturing mistake or what. Sometime I noticed wasn't have a seal, and excuse me, the technician when replace the engine oil, and they start the engine, and the oil start leaking from down. And one thing is when you putting a filter, you have to make sure sometimes the old seal gets stuck around this side. I'm gonna clean it, and the shining part you'll see has to be like this before you put a new filter, because sometimes the seal gets stuck over here, and you put a new one with a new oil seal. In that case is also oil start leaking. So make sure before you put new oil filter, the new oil filter comes with a new seal, and after you remove oil filter, make sure the old seal is has to be come out. So this is very important, so just keep in your mind. So I'm gonna put a new oil filter. Okay, so you just tight with the hands, don't tight with the any wrench or any hard, is more than enough. So this is tight, the drain plug also get tight. So now it's time to put the oil. So I'm using a full synthetic 0W20. I'm gonna put 4.3 quart. Using a full synthetic is good, is long lasting, is goes up to 7,000 miles, and the engine performance stays very well. When you're using a full synthetic, make sure to always use a premium oil filter also. So I'm gonna start the engine for a 15-20 seconds. Then I'm gonna come back and check the oil level, because otherwise if you check the oil level, it's gonna be shows overfill, and which is not correct. So always make sure when you checking a oil level, you run the engine 10-15 seconds and check the oil level. So this is the oil level should between these two dots. This is the correct level. Some technicians, some people, they made a mistake. They overfill beyond the second dot. That's very harmful for the engine. If you overfill, your engine seals, gaskets start leaking. So make sure you stay with between two dots, or in some dipsticks they have a low and high or low and full level. So stay between two indicators. So the engine oil already gets set. So now I'm gonna show you how to check the air filter. So in this vehicle has that one tab, two, and one on this side. Okay, we have to, these are the two. We have to slide from here up. Now we're gonna pull that out. Hold on. The last time I replaced the filter looks new, and change your oil filter, air filter, cabin filter. Try to get the OEM original or the better quality, the premium quality, because these are sending all the air into the engine. If your filter is not good, your engine's gonna get bad after certain miles. So it's better to use these filter original OEM. And now I'll also show you how to reset oil life. So it will be complete oil change video. So you have to turn the key on, engine off, and set this thing. You have to keep pressing, and come back on the same over here. And once you see oil life, you have to press this one and wait until oil life signals start flashing. Okay, once it start flashing, you have to relieve that knob and press again until you see the oil life 100%. Okay, so the oil life has been set to 100%. Alright guys, I hope today you like my oil change video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, feel free to comment on comment box, and I will get back to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.